Meet Sarah. She will soon be working abroad on a project for a company. Working abroad sounds great, but living in a hotel for several weeks can be tedious. Hotel rooms are often way too small and don't offer much space or comfort. And what if she wants to cook something other than water? So Sarah has the idea to look for a private apartment. But finding the right one turns out to be a hassle. Payment options are limited and there is no cleaning available. Isn't there a better solution that is also compliant with the travel policy of her company? Introducing Acomodeo, the world of serviced apartments. A serviced apartment is the perfect mix between a hotel and a rented flat. It offers more comfort than a regular hotel and is often up to 60% cheaper depending on the length of stay. Plus, longer stays are no problem. On our platform, Sarah finds pre-checked, professional apartments and regular cleaning of the apartment is included in the price. Professional invoicing and payment options are also guaranteed. Thanks to Acomodeo, Sarah can book her serviced apartment as easily as a hotel room, no matter the duration of her stay. There are more than 100,000 serviced apartments worldwide. And we bring them all together on one single platform. The core is our unique software ecosystem. It benefits everyone. Professional operators can offer their apartments and business travelers can find and compare the right apartment for their trip. For companies and travel managers, we provide an enterprise tool to handle their travel and booking requirements. That way, every business traveler can find the perfect apartment. Acomodeo, the world of serviced apartments.